Hey there, how are you doing today? Welcome to a fun and easy way to learn how to pronounce the letter R in English. We're going to make this journey enjoyable and educational. I'm here to help you make your R sound clear and confident. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to pronounce the letter R like a pro. First, let's talk about how to shape your mouth for the R sound. This is crucial for getting the pronunciation just right. Imagine you're about to growl like a friendly dog. This will help you get the right feel for the sound. Curl the tip of your tongue slightly back towards the roof of your mouth. This positioning is key to making the R sound. Don't let your tongue touch the roof though. It should hover just below it. Keep it just a little bit away. This small gap is important for the correct pronunciation. Now try saying R like a low, steady hum. Feel the vibration in your throat. Give it a go. Don't worry if it feels strange at first. Great, you're doing fantastic. Now, let's practice with some fun words that start with the letter R. This will help you get comfortable using the sound in different contexts. Listen carefully and try to repeat after me. First word, rocket. Imagine a powerful rocket blasting off into space. Say it with me, rocket. Feel the excitement of a rocket launch as you say the word. Imagine a rocket blasting off into space. Rocket. Next we have rainbow. Ready? Rainbow. Think of all those beautiful colors in the sky after the rain. Rainbow. Here's another one. Robot. Say it. Robot. Picture a cool robot doing its dance. Robot. Now let's try river. Together. River. Imagine a peaceful river flowing gently. River. And finally, rabbit. Say it. Rabbit. Think of a cute little bunny hopping around. Rabbit. Remember, practice makes perfect. Use these words in your daily conversations, and soon you'll be pronouncing the letter R like a pro. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Let's try all the words one more time, back to back. Ready? This will help reinforce what you've learned. Rocket, rainbow, robot, river, rabbit. Awesome! You're doing great. If you keep practicing, you'll get even better. Consistency is key to mastering any new skill. So don't be shy, and keep saying those R words out loud. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Thanks for joining me today to learn about the letter R. I hope you had fun and learned a lot. Keep practicing and have fun with it. See you next time. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you're well on your way to mastering the letter R.